Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. The WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer with shaking dryer machine. This incredible device is packed with features that are going to take your printing experience to the next level. From its robust packaging to its high-quality printing capabilities, we're going to dive into all the details that make this printer stand out. First, let's talk about the package included with the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer. You get an entire set that includes the XP600 single-head DTF printer, a shaking dryer machine, 5x500 milliliters DTF ink, 1 kilogram of hot melt powder, a roll of 30 centimeters x 100mm DTF film, and the RIIN software. This comprehensive package is designed to get you started right away with everything you need to begin printing high-quality images. The inclusion of the shaking dryer machine is particularly noteworthy, as it ensures that your prints dry evenly and quickly, which is essential for achieving professional-looking results. One of the key features of the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer is its ability to load 13-inch width film, allowing for max printing widths of up to 13 inches, although the normal width is typically up to 12.5 inches to prevent issues with the picture edge. This feature is a game-changer for anyone looking to print large, vibrant images. Whether you're a business owner looking to create eye-catching advertisements or an artist wanting to showcase your work, the ability to print at such a high width is incredibly valuable. The printer's capacity to handle larger prints also makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to create custom apparel, signage, or other materials that require bigger prints. The software that comes with the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer is also worth mentioning. The RIIN Hosonsoft software is safe, easy to install, and supports Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. This software is a significant improvement over other options like RIP and CAD Link, which are often plagued by viruses and can be easy to lose or delete. With the RIIN software, you can trust that your printer is running smoothly and securely, without the hassle of dealing with malware or other issues. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your printing experience is as hassle-free as possible. Another significant advantage of the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer is the support and service provided by the manufacturer. As a factory, they can offer all parts of the printer, ensuring that you can easily find replacements or upgrades if you need them. This level of support is unparalleled, especially when compared to other brands that may leave you high and dry if something goes wrong. The fact that you can get parts directly from the manufacturer means you don't have to worry about buying a whole new printer if something breaks, which can be a huge cost savings in the long run. In fact, we've heard from buyers who have purchased multiple printers in the past before finding the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer, which just goes to show the value of having a reliable and supportive manufacturer behind your product. In conclusion, the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer with shaking dryer machine is an incredible device that is sure to take your printing experience to new heights. With its robust packaging, high-quality printing capabilities, excellent software, and outstanding support, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to create professional-looking prints. Whether you're a business owner, artist, or simply a tech enthusiast, this printer is sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer today and start creating amazing prints that will leave a lasting impression. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your printing game. Click the link now and discover the power of the WJTZXY XP600 DTF printer for yourself.